Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss on TradeZero. And if you want to stop loss on TradeZero, we go right here to the order ticket where we will search for example, Apple. Then we click right here on Apple, and we also do this for the chart. So we have both that we can check. And then right now we want to create a nice stop loss on the order that we will create. So we go right here to quantity 1, that is fine. Then we go to the root paper, select order type, stop market, and then we can fill in right here the price. So the price right now is $300. So let's say when the price goes down to 270, where is it? Oh, sorry, 275. There we are. Then he will close your trade. But if you go down, you need to check right here if you already have a short position for this symbol, so for Apple, because once you have that, you can't stop loss right here or create a position because you need to cover the short. So right now we didn't have that, so we click now here on buy, then we do confirm, and then right now if you see here order requested, order placed, order filled, and if you go to the bottom to open positions, you see right here that we are having a nice position on Apple with the stop market that we created. So this is how you can stop loss right here on TradeZero. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.